Hey guys, are you wanna buy best drones under $200? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best drones under $200 are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Stone GPS Drone, the Stone HS360S is an impressive, lightweight GPS drone that packs professional-grade features into a compact body, weighing under 250 grams. No FAA or remote ID registration needed. Ideal for hassle-free travel and aerial photography. This drone is perfect for both beginners and seasoned flyers. Equipped with a 4K UHD camera featuring a 1/3 Galaxy Core sensor and 85 wide-angle lens, the HS360S captures breathtaking photos and smooth videos, adjustable 90 via remote or app. Thanks to advanced connection technology, you can stream real-time footage using a simple data cable, no Wi-Fi required. The drone offers a remarkable 10,000-foot range and a solid 20-minute flight time, powered by a modular battery. Its GPS functionality ensures accurate positioning and automatic return to home for added safety. Beginners will appreciate the user-friendly controls, optical flow positioning, and intelligent flight modes like Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and One-Tap Ascension. With regular app updates and responsive customer support, the HS360S offers an ever-evolving flying experience for anyone seeking high-quality aerial footage with minimal hassle. This drone is a top-tier choice. Now our second product is Potensic Atom Say GPS Drone. The Atom Say drone is a compact powerhouse built for effortless flying and high-quality shooting. Weighing under 249 grams. It requires no FAA or remote ID registration and folds up small enough to fit in your jacket pocket. Despite its size, it resists level 5 winds thanks to powerful brushless motors, delivering stable and reliable performance. Equipped with a 4K camera and a 1/3 Sony CMOS sensor, it captures 12MP photos and 4K at 30 fps video with enhanced stability from Shake Vanish Tech. With 3 included batteries and a 1.5-hour fast charging hub, you get up to 93 minutes of total flight time. The Surgefly control system supports beginner, video, normal, and sport modes, allowing smooth transitions from novice to advanced flying. It also features PixSync 2.04 stable, low-latency video transmission up to 4 kilometers. Additional GPS features like auto return, Follow Me, Waypoint, and Circle Flight enhance the experience, while firmware updates ensure continuous improvement. The Atom Say is user-friendly, portable, and packed with intelligent features perfect for new and experienced drone enthusiasts alike. Our third product is Blinery Drone with camera. The Blinery HK55 GPS drone is a compact, beginner-friendly powerhouse that delivers impressive performance and 2K HD video capture without the need for FAA or remote ID registration. Weighing under 250 grams and featuring a foldable design with a carrying case, it's perfect for travel, hiking, or camping adventures. Equipped with a 2000 camera and 90 electronic adjustment, the drone captures stunning aerial views with smooth 5G FPV real-time transmission and built-in shock absorption for clear footage. With GPS auto return, it smartly comes back when the signal is lost, battery is low, or it's out of range, ensuring safe and worry-free flying. The drone's brushless motors provide quieter, more efficient flight and longer durability. With 2 modular batteries, enjoy up to 32 minutes of flight time. Creative modes like Follow Me, Waypoint, Gesture, Selfie, and Point of Interest give you hands-free shooting for sports or scenic captures. Ideal for beginners and skilled pilots alike. This drone offers stable, hovering, easy controls, and an all-around enjoyable flying experience. Blinery's ongoing updates and support add even more value. Now, number 4. StarDrone Mini X Drone. The StarDrone Mini X is a compact, feature-rich drone, perfect for beginners and travel enthusiasts. Weighing under 249 grams, it requires no FAA or remote ID registration. And its foldable design makes it ultra-portable for outdoor adventures, aerial photography, and casual flying, equipped with a professional 2-axis gimbal and eye stabilization. This drone delivers smooth, shake-free 4K video and 12MP photos. Its 90 adjustable 120 wide-angle camera ensures immersive, high-resolution captures from every angle. Built-in GPS and optical flow systems enable precise hovering and stable flight, while smart auto return ensures the drone comes back safely if it loses signal or power, with 2 intelligent batteries offering up to 45 minutes of total flight time and level 5 wind resistance supported by powerful brushless motors. You can enjoy uninterrupted, stable flying even in tough conditions. Intelligent features like Follow Me, Waypoint, Circle Flight, gesture controls, and route planning enhance creative shooting. User-friendly controls, one-touch takeoff, landing, and 3 flight speeds make the Mini X a perfect companion for both new and experienced drone pilots. And our last choice is Morasen Drone, the Mirason 108 OP camera. Drone is the perfect entry-level flying companion for kids and beginners alike. Featuring a 90 adjustable HD camera, it captures stunning aerial photos and real-time FPV video via the user-friendly Morasen app, great for sharing adventures on social media. With dual 1,500 mAh batteries, you get up to 36 minutes of flight time, and the powerful brushless motor ensures quiet, stable flights even in breezy conditions. Compact and foldable, this mini drone easily fits in its carrying case, making it an ideal travel companion. Flying is simple thanks to beginner-friendly features like one-key takeoff, landing, headless mode, altitude hold, and emergency landing. Additional fun functions like gesture control, voice commands, gravity control, VR mode, and 360 flips add excitement to every flight. Perfect as a birthday or holiday gift. This drone is as entertaining as it is educational. For the best results, fly in open, wind-free areas and follow the included Quick Start Guide. With responsive customer support available within 24 hours, you'll be flying with confidence in no time. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.